Welcome to the latest how-to tutorial from ITZOO. Remember, before starting any repair, to disconnect all power sources, including AC adapters and batteries, from your device.
Dell Latitude E6330 memory replacement or upgrade. Eject and remove the laptop optical drive. Locate and remove 7 screws as shown in the video. Remove the memory card. Carefully pull away the laptop base. Unclip the memory by applying pressure to the 2 clips. Remove the memory. Repeat for the second stick of memory. Insert the new memory carefully. Replace the base aligning the clips as shown and press firmly in place. Replace the 7 screws removed earlier. Reinsert the optical drive and memory card. Add the battery.
Parts for all major PCs and laptops can be found at itzoo.co.uk. We also stock a full range of PCs, laptops, tablets and servers.